We're going to take up addition of decimal numbers. How do we add decimal numbers? So, example, we have given 48 hundredths plus 2 and 251 thousandths plus 5 and 1 tenths. So, kung mapapansin niyo yung ating number is horizontal. So, all you have to do first is align your numbers vertically in column following the decimal point. So, i-align lang natin siya ng patayo by column. Tapos, ang susundan natin yung ating mga decimal point dahil yun yung ating guide. Okay, so, now let's answer. We have 48 hundredths plus 2 and 251 thousandths plus 5 and 1 tenths. So, naka-align tayo from whole number to our decimal numbers. So, ones, tenths, hundreds, and thousands. So, ang gagawin na natin kapag ganito na may mga kulang tayong digits sa ating decimal places is put 0 as our placeholder para hindi tayo malilito sa ating mga operation. So, now, proceed with addition. So, 0 plus 1, that is 1 plus 0 is 1. Then, 8 plus 5, that is 13. Plus 0 is 13. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung sagot natin, 13, di ba? So, yung digit natin na nasa ones place, ilalagay natin dito sa ating sagot, sa baba. Then, yung 1, itong 1 na nasa tens place, ilagay natin sa kasunod na place value. Then, i-add natin siya. So, 1 plus 4, that is 5. Plus 2, that is 7. Plus 1, that is 8. Then, yung ating decimal point, syempre, align lang natin dyan. Then, add yung ating nasa whole number. So, 0 plus 2, that is 2. Plus 5, that is 7. So, this is our answer. So, now, let's have another example. Okay, example, we have 345, 3 and 456,000 plus 1 and 120 thousandths plus 21 hundredths. Okay, again, align natin to vertically in column following the decimal point. So, we have 3 and 456 thousandths plus 1, 20,000 plus 21 hundredths. So, again, itong kulang dito, lagyan natin siya ng 0 as placeholder. Then add. 6 plus 0 is 6. Plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Plus 1, 8. 4 plus 1, that is 5 plus 2, 7. Then, yung ating decimal places, ibaba lang natin. Then, 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus 0, 4. So, the answer is 4 and 786. So, punta naman tayo doon sa subtraction of decimal numbers. So, how do we perform subtraction? So, okay. Example ang given natin. 5, 721 minus 2 and 358 equals n. Like addition, all you have to do, line or align in column your given number. So, vertically, following the decimal points. So, let's solve. We have 5, 721 thousandths minus 2 and 358 thousandths. Now, subtract like a whole number. So, 1 minus 8, so cannot be. Hindi tayo pwede magbawas ng 8 sa isa. So, anong gagawin natin? So, we're going to borrow from this place value. So, yung 2, bawasan natin ng isa, syempre, magiging isa na lang. At yung isa na hiniram natin, ilagay natin dito. Tapos, itong number natin dito, iakyat lang natin. So, ayan na yung bago nating babawasan. So, 11 minus 8, that is 3. Then, 1 minus 5, so, again, cannot be. Hindi tayo pwedeng magbawas ng 5 sa 1. So, tatandaan nyo ito, class, ha? Kapag yung ating subtrahend is mas mataas kaysa sa minuend, ang gagawin natin lagi is borrow from the next place value. You have to regroup your numbers. So, 1 minus 5 cannot be. So, again, hihiram tayo dito ng isa. Yung 7, babawasan ng 1. Magiging 6 na lang. Yung 1 na hiniram natin, ilagay lang natin dito sa taas ng ating number. So, 11 minus 5, that is 6. Then, 6 minus 3, so the answer is 3. Then, decimal point, ibaba lang. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, paano natin i-check kung itong sagot natin ito ay tama? So, ganito lang. You're going to add your difference. Ang tawag natin dito ay difference. Ito, minuend. So, this is minuend. This is your subtrahend. Then, this is your difference. Ang tawag natin sa sagot ay difference. Okay? So, to check, let's add our difference, 3 and 363,000 plus yung ating subtrahend, 2 and 358. Now, let's add like a whole number. So, 3 plus 8, that is 11. So, 1, carry 1. So, again, yung 11 natin, yung isa, yung nasa 1's place, ilagay sa sagot. Yung nasa 10's place, ilagay sa kasunod na place value. So, 1 plus 6, that is 7, plus 5, that is 12. 2, carry 1. So, yung 12, again, ang sagot natin sa pag-add natin dito na sa ating hundredths place is 12. Yung 2, ilagay sa sagot. Yung 1, ilagay natin sa kasunod na place value. Then, add 1 plus 3, that is 4, plus 3 is 7. Decimal point, i-align lang. Then, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, tingnan natin yung ating sagot kung kapareho dito sa ating minuend. So, 5 and 721 is the same with our minuend. So, ibig sabihin, tama itong ating sagot. Kapag ka ito magkaiba, minuend sa kayong ating sum, ibig sabihin, may mali doon sa ating sagot sa subtraction. Okay? So, dapat ito ay magkapareho. Pag magkaiba yan, may mali ang ating sagot. So, dito ang tawag natin sa mga number na ito ay addends. At ito, ang tawag natin ay sum or total. Okay. So, paano tayo nagsusubtract kung merong mga zero yung ating given? Example. So, align natin in column 200 minus 12 and 521,000. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating minuend, meron tayong mga zero. Okay? Dito sa ating decimal places. Then, sa ating subtrahend, meron tayong mga digits. So, how do we subtract? So, katulad dito, 0 minus 1. So, what is the answer? So, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. Anong gagawin natin? So, hihiram tayo ng 1 mula dito sa kasunod na 0. Paano hihiram? 0 din. So, itong 0, syempre, hihiram ulit siya dyan sa kasunod. So, itong 0 na to, magiging 1, di ba? Then, iakit nyo yung 0. Naintindihan? So, hihiram tayo dito sa 0 na nasa hundredths place ng 1. Ayan yan, nasa taas. Tapos itong 0, iakit natin. So, itong 0 na to na hiniraman natin, magiging 9 na lang siya. Okay? Then, itong 0, syempre, dito siya nang hiram sa 10th place. So, ito ay magiging 1 na lang. Okay, so, dyan muna tayo. Then, subtract like a whole number. So, 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 1 minus 5 cannot be. So, again, hindi tayo pwede magbawas ng 5 sa 1. So, kailangan niya uli humiram dito sa kasunod. So, itong 3, babawasan ng isa, dito na tayo magbabawas sa 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Then, 7 minus 1, that is 6. So, the answer is 60 and 679. Now, let's check if our answer is correct. So again, we have to add our difference plus our subtrahend. So we have 679,000 plus 12 and 521,000. Okay, let's add like a whole number. So 9 plus 1, that is 10. 0, carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 2, that is 10. 0, carry 1. Plus 6, that is 0 is 1. Plus 2, that is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, decimal point. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung ating sagot, magkapareho. So, meaning this is correct. So, class, that's how we add and subtract decimal numbers. So don't forget to align your numbers vertically in column following the decimal point, then add or subtract like a whole number.